Welcome to Crafting with Pui Designs, Canva edition. Today I'm going to show you how to use my graduation templates. You can use them in Canva. They are Canva templates. You can edit them. You can change colors. You can add text and all that in it. And the thing also is you can use them every year. For life, you can use them if you want to use them. You can use them every year because they are editable. You can change colors, change the text, change the names and all that, the size and everything, and the pictures also. Okay, so when you purchase this, you can purchase this from my Etsy or from my website. You will get let me go in here. You will get four templates, like two designs. These are two and these are two, the same design, one. And you can also get the mock-up. When you come in here, you just delete this and add yours, and you can also use this mock-up too. You delete my logo and add yours. Okay, when you want to sell with it. Okay, when you want to sell your finished products, these are not PLR. These are uh, templates that you purchase, and you can create physical product with them to sell. So you can use my mock-up with it to show how to, or how you would do it on a shirt. This one right here, and this you can use to show the designs that you have that you can put on products for people. Do not share the templates. Okay, let's go in here. Here I'm going to show you how you can edit them. The first thing we're going to do, you can ungroup them. Yeah, ungroup them and go to position right here. And here you can change the color of class of. You can change it to some another color if you want it to be green. You know, you can change it. Okay, you always go in position and see what you have. You see the numbers of the year. You can also change the colors. You can also change the font. Okay, when you select it, you can come here and change the font. If you don't like the font, you can come here and change it all. Let me go closer. You can come in and change it. Okay, I think we have here, select both and change them. You see that? You can change the name. It's also editable. You can change it right in here. You can also change the colors of these. You see the colors up here. You can come in here and change them also. Position. You can change the yeah, this up here. You can change it to the color of the ruler. Okay, yeah, you can change the colors to here. You see the two colors. And let me go here. I need to go here. And a splash in the background. Even then, when you select, you see the color here. You can change it to the color that you like. Okay, all the splashes here. You can change it to the color you like. Also, oh, this is, let me see this here. Yeah, you can also change the colors. You see them up here. If you want the book, the gray part to be, let's say, pink, it's up to you. Okay, if you want it to be white, if you want it to be gray, it was gray. Yeah, you can come in and change all the colors here. You can put it green. You can make it blue. It's up to you how you want it to be. Okay, I think it was this color. Yeah, you can come in and change it. Always go to position and see what you need to change and change it. And also for the picture, you can, let me show you something with pictures, how you can do it here in Canva. I'm going to delete this picture. Okay, I'm deleting it. You go to apps and you go to here, and you go to and put background. Okay, and you see background eraser, select it, and then you have this right here. Okay, you select it and you choose file. This is when you don't have Canva Pro. If you have the free version, you can use this, but if you have Canva Pro, you can just use the magic the magic place there. I will select it, and you see my image here, and then I will remove the background, and it's removing the background for me. and I will still be able to use it here. This is when you're using the Canva free version. Okay, here it is. It's also said background eraser has successfully uploaded the media to your uploads. They also uploaded in here. It should be in here. Let me see. Or maybe in my computer or somewhere. Okay, but here we have it. You see, they remove the background for us to use it in here. Okay, and then I'll go to edit photo. Okay, I keep it selected, and I'll go to the filters and I'll make it a little bit more beautiful. Okay, now I'll go back to position, and then I will drag the image until it's here between the paper. No, it should be here. I think here. Let's see. Let me enlarge it really quick. Okay, it should it should be behind the crayon. Okay, and I'll drag her like so, and I'll place her here behind here. Okay, okay. So you have her right here, and I love it. You see this, and the same. If you want, you can change this text too. You can change it to the font you want. You can come in here. Look, I had this font. You can change it whatever font you want. You see that? You can come in here and change that. Okay. You can do the same with all these other ones too. Come in here. This guy needs to go behind. Position. Actually, I need to ungroup it. Ungroup. Okay. And then we have you can also click here and go to layer and send backward. He needs to go more to the back. I'll go to position right here and find him and place him under the crayons. Yeah, right in there. Okay, yeah, so and you also have this one here. You can come in and change the colors also. Let me ungroup it really quick. Come in and change the colors right in here. The notebook, you can also change the colors of the notebook if you want to have it dark blue. You see that? If you want to have it black or red, it's up to you what color you want to have on the notebook. You can change it. And let me tell you, some elements here are from Canva, but some elements here are my own. So that's are my own AI images and stuff. Please do not sell those images as digital products, because they are some of them are my copyrighted elements. Okay, this one too, you can come in and change them and add your own pictures and stuff, and you can print it and cut it. Okay, so today I'm going to print and cut one of those. Let me see which one I'm going to use. I'm going to download them and print and cut them through my Silhouette Studio software. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. Come in, purchase it, and edit it for your customer, and print and cut and make files and t-shirts for your customers this season. Like I told you, you can use them every year, because every year you are able to go back in and change the information, change the names, the text, the colors, the pictures, and everything. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you are interested in signing up for my membership for classes and for files, join my membership today for only $5.99 a month. So I downloaded them from Canva. Now I'm going to open them in Silhouette Studio. I opened my page already. I have it on 8.5 by 11. I'm going to merge it into here. Merge. And I'll choose this one. Okay, here it is. Okay. The thing I'm going to do, I'm not gonna trace it. I'm just gonna cut it out. I'll take a box. Let me go closer. here. I'll take a box here, okay, and then I'll place a box around it, like so. Like a box like this. Let me fill it with a color really quick. And here I'm going to drag it a little bit here too. I think I have enough. I'm just gonna crop it. Select both, and I'll go to modify and crop. And so I have this here. Mm, 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 mm. I think I'm good. Let's go. Let me go closer to see what I have. Yeah, I have it right. And I'm going to place it on my on here. I'm going to size it like so. Mhm. Let's say I want it on 5 by 7. Let me see how it will be. Okay, let me release this. 5 by 7. And I'll place it here. I'm going to do two of it because I wanted to do two-sided. I want to do it two-sided. I'll go to page setup, registration marks. Okay, I have it here. I'll go in. Yeah, I think it's good already. Let me see if I can spice the color up a little bit here. I'll go here. I'll upgrade the color a little bit. I love the color like so. Okay, and then I will go to. I will send it to send, and I will check my cut border. I have it on. Let's see, cut over edge right here. Okay, I will have my settings on here. Blade depth 8, force 23, passes. You can have it or 2 or 1. Test your paper. I'm using 65-pound cardstock. Test your paper if you can do it on 2 and speed on 1. Okay, so now I'm going to print it out. Now I have that. File, print. Let me choose my printer really quick. This is my printer, and I'm going to print it really quick. So I will print 2 pieces of these. Okay. So here is my mat and my printouts. I'm going to align it on the mat. This right here. Make sure your paper is exactly in the corner, just like you see it in the computer. From 0 to 8.5 and to 11 down there. Okay, let's align it. Like I said, do it exactly as you see it in the computer. The corner, in that corner, it should be down there on 11-inch, and on the other side on 8.5. Make sure you align it well because sometimes it's tricky. Your paper can get stuck to the mat without you wanted it to do that. Okay, now I have done it, and I'm going to insert it into my machine, and let's go and cut it. Okay, here I am. I'm going to insert it, like load it under the rollers on top of that line right there and the arrows on the left side and the right side. And then I'm going to load it in. Now I'm going to send the cut job to the machine. I go to send. I make sure I have it on cut edge. And I'm waiting for my machine to register with my computer. It's connecting. Okay, it's syncing, and now we're going to send it to the machine. And it will cut. Like I said, this is a 65-pound cardstock. And that's my cut setting right there. You can stop the video and copy the cut settings. Okay, right here is registering. Like that's why we printed out with the registration marks all over there. Okay. With this one, I cut it twice. I put the passes twice, like to cut over it twice because of the cardstock. There are different cardstocks available, and the one I use, I love the Astro Brights, the Nina one. You can get it on Amazon. I will leave the link below. This one I got from Michaels. Okay, do two passes over it, and it works fine. So I cut two of it, like two pieces of this one and two pieces of the one with the girl. And so I'm going to rip it off. It cut really well. The settings are good. It cut really, really well. Now you're going to turn over your mat and then peel it off exactly like this, because if you don't do it like this, it will curl your paper. Your cardstock will curl and you don't want that. You need to peel it off exactly like that. Instead of peeling off the paper, you peel off the mat from the paper. Okay, so here it is. And I did this one also, and I did it like the same process, sticking it really well to the mat, insert it, cut it. I did two passes over it, and it went really, really well. So here are the fans. I cut each part twice because I want to have it two-sided. So now we are going to um, stick them to the stick. I'm using Elmer's glue, and I'm going to see where, like, I'm going to eyeball it and to see where I can fit it. I think doing it like this will be good. I'll go and put the glue on my stick. Put it really well, not too much. And then, like I said, I'm eyeballing it to find the middle. If you want, you can measure it with a measuring with a ruler and find the middle of it. Okay, I think I have it like this. Now I'm going to put glue on the other side of the paper. I'm going to add the glue right on there. Also on the stick, because you want everything to stick together. After I do this, I'll take a piece of paper and then I will rub it flat so that the glue can lay flat on the paper. And then I'm going to align it. Align it down there. I start at the bottom to the top. Align them really well because they are both the same size. Also at the top. Align it really well and let it dry. Okay, and then you have a sturdy fan. Just like that. You have a sturdy Grad fan. I also did the other one. I did the same thing. Okay. Now we have our fans. I will let them dry. But to show you, they came out very cute. Very, very cute. One thing too, when you print them, you can cut them by hand if you want to. If you don't want to use a machine, you can cut them by hand. And so we have them. This file is available in my Etsy shop. You can find it. You can find the link in the description below. You can try it too. So, so cute. I love them. Let me know if you're going to try it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.